What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing, this is going to be like an extremely short video, but I still wanted to do it anyway. And I know everybody's getting a bunch of stuff for Christmas, so maybe you got one of these for Christmas. If you haven't heard, Jeffree Star released mystery Christmas boxes. And I tried, you know, I love me some mystery boxes. I love unboxing them. I tried to jump on and get a couple of them, but I could not. The only one I got was the mini, which, this packaging, by the way, I'm a sucker for packaging, so the fact that he does this to like all of his mystery boxes. Ugh. So, anyways, this was the only one I could get. I waited for it. I got an email saying that I had been refunded, and I had already gotten my tracking, and I had no clue why, but luckily I went on Twitter and saw what he posted, where he said about the whole, they had posted that everybody would get a cosmetic thing, but the minis didn't. So I basically got this for free. So thank you, Jeffree Star. I love it. But like I said, I love mystery boxes. I love unboxing them. If you have never had anything from these companies or from Jeffree Star, this is a great way to introduce yourself to the brand and get some stuff that for a cheaper price that you can try out to see if you really like it before taking the big hit and jumping full force in. I enjoy Jeffree Star. I've got a couple of his things. I actually have stuff right here. Morphe X Jeffree Star spray. I've got some Skin Frost. I've got the Shane Dawson palettes that he collabed with. So I'm a big Jeffree Star fan. I also have, from previous mystery boxes, Halloween Skin Frost. So, I like his stuff. His stuff is excellent at an excellent price. It's some stuff is a little expensive, but it's worth it because you're getting nice quality things. So I don't mind paying the extra price to get the quality. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. That's my spiel about mystery boxes and all that stuff, and get started. So this is it right here, the cute little packaging with the mini box. Sorry, I thought that was my dog. You got two items, two cosmetic items. So this is how it came. I mean, it was packaged a little bit better, but I already rummaged through here. So I got two things that I was super excited about. Well, and then how about these? Because we got these stickers, and I love the artwork in this and the fact that they are personal to him. So like the Can't Relate, the Blue Blood, Beauty Killer, let's see, Jeffree Star Approved. Like, these are really nice stickers. I mean, I know they're stickers, but they're really nice because they're so personalized for him, and the fact that we can get some really cool art graphics. It's pretty neat. So that is my little holiday thing special that came in this box. The two things I did get are a Velour liquid lipstick in the shade 818, which is this shade right here. It is a nice pretty pink. Excuse my hand, that's from a previous video. But this is the shade 818. If you haven't had his lipsticks before, liquid lipsticks, they're absolutely amazing. They're really nice on the lips. It doesn't feel like it dries it out or anything like that. So this is the shade 818. It's a very nice pink. And then the other thing that I got, which I was super, like, I'm not even playing excited about, because I have never had a velour lip scrub from him. I never purchased one. So I actually got one, and I'm so excited about it, y'all. This one is it's the Velour Lip Scrub in chocolate covered strawberry. So I'm going to open her up so you guys can see. So this is the packaging right here. This is how it comes. And it's chocolate covered strawberry. So this is it. And it's, I don't know how he gets all these scents in here. This literally smells like chocolate strawberries. Oh my God. This is so good. And if you've never had a lip scrub before, it's basically like sugar and like oils, and it helps get the dead skin off your lips, which is perfect if you're doing liquid lips, because they tend to dry your lips out. And also for the cold weather, my lips get a little bit chapped. So this is absolutely perfect. I'm really excited to try this out. You could basically eat this. I'm not going to eat it on camera, but Jeffree does, if you've ever seen any of his videos. But that is everything that I got in this little mini box. This was originally $20, free shipping. That's all I paid. But like I said, he refunded everybody that got it because on his little thing it said that we were getting an exclusive cosmetic item, but in reality we were getting the stickers. So basically I got this stuff for free and I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings, the mystery unboxings. If you do, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye y'all.